Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? I'm here. I'm just doing a valve lash adjustment on my K20 RSX Type S motor. Just took everything off right now. Just gonna take the cover off and start doing the adjustment. Been a few years, so might as well do it. I'll check them. And this bad boy is gonna go on. Finally, after so many years, this thing is beautiful. And along with some titanium valve cover nuts, which are OEM spec. I actually sell these, and I had these custom made. So if you guys are interested, let me know. All right, I'll check back in with you guys when I'm pretty much done. Okay, valve cover is off. Let's see. Valve cover itself, if that's original, that looks pretty clean inside. And cams have some wear. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think that's acceptable wear for a 150,000 kilometer motor? Or is there any issue underlying with that? You let me know. Alright. I checked the tensioner too. It's well, I checked the chain tension. It's pretty tight, so that's good. And I'm going to be replacing this guy with a K24, the top timing chain guide, a little bit longer, so that was recommended. No, check back in. Hey guys, just an update. Okay, valve adjustment is done. I think I've looked at a few YouTube videos, and it's true what they say. You gotta go by feel, and it's not that easy. Just punching over the engine and trying to get to each valve, and with things in the way. Obviously it's easy when the engine is out, I guess, to do this, but we don't have that luxury, so you gotta do it on the car. And a little bit hard to do, but yeah, they're all done. Just torqued up all the nuts there with 20 foot-pounds. Sorry, 20 Newton meters. And now I'm just gonna double check. I'm going to install the top chain guide, and then I'm going to button up get the valve cover prepped and put it back on, tighten everything up, and see what happens. Here's the spark plugs that came out of each cylinder. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3 looks a little bit more burned than the other ones. I don't know how well you can see, but yeah. Part number for the top chain guide. (14540 RAA A02). And that's what it looks like. It's a little longer than the stock one. Part number if you want to use the Falpro gasket kit for the valve cover. Right there. Well guys, it is complete. Doesn't she look beautiful, that valve cover and those titanium nuts? Moment of truth. Start her up. Hey everybody, all right, that's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll get some more content, and comment if you see fit, if you see anything that you like to share. As far as the idling goes, I don't know, it seems to be the same. It's a little bit rumbly in the car. I could feel some sort of a miss. I don't know if it's related to the valve adjustment or not. It could be injectors. Spark plugs are about 1.5 years old. The coils are new. Everything's like, I don't get it. What you think about the video, and share some comments. All right, see you guys.